Thank you, everybody. Especially, I would like to give my thanks to the Chini Khorang TV to give me this opportunity to have a small press conference. As you know, on 3rd February, we have a Central Executive Committee meeting of IPFT was held at Khumulung IS Conference Hall. We have 3 agenda in this meeting, and the meeting was chaired by our Honorable President N.C. Deborma, and all the allied organizations participated in this meeting, like Youth IPFT, Artisa, IWFT, and our employee association, and all our allied organizations also participated. And in this 3 hours meeting, we have discussed thread-based discussion, and some very important resolution has been adopted. We have a 3-point agenda. One agenda is for the forthcoming ADC election. Second agenda is fundraising policy. Third is miscellaneous. With these 3 agenda, we have a thoroughly discussion take place by the member present. And in this meeting, we have resolved one very important resolution that IPFT will go ahead for the coming ADC election without further delay on the process of alliance with BJP. A team of IPFT central leaders will visit New Delhi to discuss a various pending issue, including high-level committee. And also we have struck out the program that on 24th February, there will be state-level central gathering of IPFT at Khumulung on 24th February, 12 noon onward. We request all our divisional level committee. As you know, we have 34 divisional committee of IPFT throughout the state. All are invited to participate in this gathering, and hopefully there will be around 1 lakh gathering, 1 lakh participant will be there. That is, as you know, earlier also we have a big gathering. So this year, yes, because there is an election going on, therefore we are expecting more than 1 lakh participant in this gathering. In this state level gathering, we have selected the subcommittee chairman. Sri Brodalal Deborma is the chairman. Vice chairman will be Mongol Deborma, our senior SGS. And also we have selected Jiten Deborma as the convener of this gathering. And Bishukri Deborma MLA, joint convener. Dhirendra Deborma MLA, Prasanta Deborma, Ganesh Deborma, Ratan Deborma, Suklacharan Novatia, Ganesh Deborma, Jiten Deborma, Sopna Deborma, IWFT, Pito Deborma, Artisha, Johar Deborma, Motor Worker Union, Songkonat Deborma. All other people will be there, and mostly this 15% will be the subcommittee members. They will take care of this gathering. And also today, I'm really excited and I'm really thankful. Especially, I want to give my thanks and regard, especially to our Maharaja, our Bubagra, Pradyot Deborma, for his announcement that he also supporting and he also demanding Tipraland, which means separate state based on a scheduled area of Tripura. So it is really wonderful. As you know, our IPFT, since 2009, we have a series of movement peacefully. We have aggressive movement. As you all know, IPFT party is a recognized party. Now we are in allied government. BJP IPFT government is going on in Tripura for the last 3 years. And we have a understanding with BJP, but we have a separate identity, a separate demand But still, there is adjustment going on. But we have our own standpoint. From the very beginning, we have only one agenda, one demand, which we have always announced that we want a separate state based on scheduled area of Tripura. This is our demand. And this year, really, I was really thankful. I give really my regard to our respected, our honorable, our Maharaja. He also uttered, he also announced that his party also demanding separate state, Tipraland, which is really, it was really wonderful. And I request all the people, all the political party, to come together with one voice, that is Tipraland. As you know, it is our belief, it is our aspiration that only Tipraland issues is the major issue. Our ultimate goal will be statehood. Because as you know, we are living here for the last, after independence, our people, our indigenous people, our Tripura people were deprived and ignored, they treated very badly. As we have known that for the last 70 years, we have no that question of survival. That's why we are always talking about our survival. We are fighting for our survival. This is not a question of hatred to any other communities, any other group, but there is a genuine demand. As you know, our district council was created since 1982. We have got a 7th schedule. And 1984, we have got 6th schedule. Since then, the district council is not developing. We have a lot of experience for the last 38 years existence of TTADC. There is no change. There is no any development take place in the area of ADC. This is the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people, are demanding separate state. Because you know, for the last 38 years, no development had taken place in ADC area. As you know, till today, for the last 38 years, we have no any good hospital in scheduled area. We have no any good college in scheduled area. We have no any market, supermarket in Addis area. And there is no any school, good school in Addis area. There is no any good hospital. This is the main reason behind why we are deprived in our own land. There's a big question. Therefore, our people are realizing until unless we achieve the statehood based on scheduled area of Tripura, we cannot survive. Slowly, as you know, recently this central government has passed CAB and the NRC. These are again the threat of our community. Once it was passed, and the CAA was passed, it's become threat. When the NRC was passed, this is our threat. This is the main reason behind why our people slowly we are alienated by the mainstream, because our aspiration, our hope is not fulfilled. As you know, we have got the district council with 6th schedule, and the 6th schedule provision have no power. They have no financial power. They have no any home power. There is no any land power. It is like puppet. It is like a corporation. Therefore, we feel that this council is not enough to safeguard our people, to safeguard our land, to safeguard our identity, to safeguard our economy, to safeguard our education. It's not there. Therefore, we are compelled, our people are compelled to seek justice, to demand statehood based on scheduled area of Tripura. As you know, our people now, young generation especially, the educated people, intellectual people, young generation, students, they're all coming up in one voice. They understood now. Therefore, I thank Maharaja, our Pradyot Maniko Bahadur. He also now realized that until unless, if we do not get the statehood power in this area, we cannot survive in the future. Our future will be dark. Therefore, by experiencing for the last 38 years, we are compelled to ask separate state within the state based on scheduled area of Tripura. Therefore, I really give my regard and thanks, and I really love Maharaja for his concern of the people, for his love of the people. Therefore, I hope in future all will come together, will work together for our future, for our next generation. Therefore, once again, I give my heartiest congratulations to our Bobagra Maharaja for his commitment, for his demand based on Tipraland. Therefore, really, I hope in future all our leaders will come up, will come together, so that we can raise our voice. Our voice will be more stronger and louder. Therefore, again, I appeal to all my brothers and sisters from different angles. He may be BJP, he may be Congress, he may be CPM, whatever. Let us come together to fight for our justice. Thank you.